Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Eats. Today we are making guilt-free pizza with our Pureleaf high-protein gluten-free atta, of which one chapati contains 10 to 12 gram protein. You can take any multigrain flour and get started. I'm making the pizza base with the dough without rolling pin. Putting little bit of flour on the working bench and start pounding the dough until it gets fully stretched. We will make the base just like a regular chapati on a griddle. Oil the chapati on one side only. We want the other side to be dry and stiff so that it becomes crusty. Keep the pizza base aside and we'll start with the topping. Now I'm brushing some oil in a wok and will saute the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes for the topping. First I'm adding some sliced onions, then some capsicum, yellow, red bell peppers, some mushrooms and corns. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Now the veggies are cooked. Let's start with the pizza. Now I'm taking a pan and place a prepared base on it and start by applying pizza sauce all over and place our veggies on the top. I'm also adding some paprika, olives, sliced onions and crumbled paneer on the top. After that I'm layering some roughly cut cheese slices and cover the lid so that cheese melts just right. And here we are, it's ready. Just sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes and enjoy this thin crust pizza. It's crunchy at the bottom and cheesy on the top. A perfect Sunday brunch to make your day. I hope you liked the recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.